2010 economics past question number 42. The maximum number of shareholders for a limited liability company. Option A says 20. Option B says 7. Option C says 5. Option D says infinite. Now, for a limited liability company, we're talking about a company that is the liability or burden of debt in the company is limited to the amount of shares capital the shareholders had agreed to contribute individually in the event of the company liquidating or winding up. So now we have private company which ends with the word limited, Ltd. So private company, their membership is 2 to 50, and for public company, which is PLC, public limited liability companies, their membership is 2 to infinite. It doesn't have maximum. The whole world can belong to one company. So in view of this, option D is the right answer. Thank you. Please subscribe for more questions.